Hello, in this video I'd like to go through how to use the Missing Words resource from Energising Learning. Now for this I've got one set up here. I tend to display the text first of all for the students to have a think about which words could go in the gaps, and then after a few minutes I'll then perhaps give them the word selection to have a look at so they can think, right, which word would get there. Now again, depending on your group, you might go straight away to the missing words. After a while, when all students have had a go, you can just tick here to show them the answer. Students can give themselves a point for each one that they got right if you want to make it into a scoreable round. And that is pretty much it. Just to show you how to set the resource up, we can have more than one set of texts set up at a time that we can easily navigate using this menu. So the way we record the data, showing the maths tendencies there, the text I should have said. So the way we record the text, first of all, just place it in these sections here. So the section above the black box, each coloured section is a different phrase. So I put a reference tool down here as the title, which is the one that shows up at the top of the sheet. And then when you've put some text in, you can choose which words disappear by ticking them. If you leave them blank, they'll appear. If you tick them, they are the words that will disappear. A nice little trick with this, if you click on the whole row and press the space bar, it toggles the ticks on and off. So you can sort of play about with it quite easily. So on this, if I wanted the word energising to disappear, I just tick energising, and now when I went over, energising is the word that is missing. Okay, and if I wanted to go on to one of the other facts, so maybe about the Eiffel Tower, then we've just got that here. Okay. I've already started thinking what the words are, and there we go. The Eiffel Tower can be taller during the summer due to the heating up of the iron. That's something I never knew. Right, so I hope this has been useful. Okay, and there are lots more resources on Energising Learning. Thank you for watching.